Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to sidechain in FL Studio. So here's just what I did for the video. Whatever, I made it in like 5 minutes. So first thing you're gonna do, put the kick in its own mixer and then do the same for the sample. And go to the one with the kick, right click on this. Make sure it's the same one from this with the sample. Sidechain to this track, click that, and then go to Fruity Limiter. Go to this tab, compress, insert one, ratio, turn that all the way to the right, and play around with the threshold. It's kind of subtle, but you can hear it. Yeah, especially if you do it like that. That's pretty much it. Like and subscribe for more epic tutorial.